Please avoid these mistakes. Don't say, she don't have any siblings. Say, she doesn't have any siblings. Don't say I could care less about that. Say I couldn't care less about that.
Don't say, I'm going to lay down for a nap. Say, I'm going to lie down for a nap.
Don't say, she is the principal of the school. Say, she is the principal of the school.
Don't say, he was laying on the couch all day. Say, he was lying on the couch all day.
Don't say, we was planning to go to the beach. Say, we were planning to go to the beach.
Don't say, it's important to get enough sleep. Say, it's important to get enough sleep.